Hey guys, for today's lesson, I wanted to start my this this message with a story. There were a lot of frogs, and they were moving in the forest. And after moving, they are happily moving. After some time, two of the frogs they fall in the deep pit. The pit was so deep, they were trying to come out, but not get success. So other frogs just they collected just outside the pit from upper side. They were say telling to those two frogs, okay, try. But after some time, they all those frogs from outside, they told, no, now it is not possible, just go dead. Nothing doing, you are not going to come out, you are going to die, just you die, peacefully die. So that was the message from top. Now what happened? Those two, out of those two frogs, one was trying, other was also trying, but one was trying very hard. But as soon as from top he got the message that now it is not possible to come out. So he just left all his effort, and after some time he was died there. Another frog, I don't know what happened. Each time they were telling from the top that okay, just leave your effort, you are going to die, just die peacefully, everything, all the messages were there. But this fellow was still jumping more and more. This is the fun. He was still jumping. Now they were all on the top. They were surprised at what is happening. This fellow is still jumping, although there is no chance that he will get the success. That was the reality at that time. Yes, that was the reality. So, but still this frog starting more and more with more and more efforts. After some time, what happened? Those layer from where he was jumping, it was just, you can say, mixture of soil and water, slowly started hardening. And after some time, that particular surface was slightly up. At the same time, it was hardened also. So due to that, he got a support, and from that, when he put a last jump, he come out of the pit. Now, here is something very important. Other frogs, they were surprised. How this fellow has come out. Then they asked from him, what happened? But they discovered that this fellow is a thief. Yes, this frog was thief. Then they asked with their you can say with their gesture, what happened? Why you come out? What was the reason? He told, no, but nothing doing. He expressed his views, whatever way he about to express, because he was deaf. So he was telling, no, I did not hear anything. I was thinking that you are giving me encouragement to come out. Yes. So that's why he finally came out. So what is the moral of the story, my friend? So whatever you can say, you know that particular, you can say, two sections, this main quadrant of the Robert Kiyosaki in cash flow quadrant, in which he has explained that 97% of people are there falling in the employee and a small business category, and only 3% are there in the other quadrants. So every time you will see majority of persons will tell you that you are not going to get the success. But still, if you will try, forgetting what they are doing, what they are saying, you keep on trying, you will get the success. This is called perseverance, my friend. Yes. And Steve Jobs has also told very clearly that out of all the entrepreneurs of the world, 50% of entrepreneurs are failing only because they are not doing sufficient perseverance. They don't have sufficient perseverance. They don't have such intention to do to keep the perseverance going on. Working with patience. They don't have. That's why they are failing. So this is the message for today, and it's very important. Now you can understand what is the importance. Why you should not go for majority. You should go to your heart only. That's all, my friend. Take care. Bye bye.